Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Student, let us see here question number 3 is a word problem. We have to find out ratio of 24 notebooks to 18 books. So let us write to find the ratio of 24 notebooks to 18 books. That is 24 is to 18. It means 24 divided by 18. Children, on unit place digits are 4 and 8. Of course, both the numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 nines are 18. Now again 12 and 9. Yes, 1 plus 2, 3 and denominator is 9. So both the numbers are divisible by 3. So divide in the numerator by 3 as well as in the denominator also divide by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer? 4 is to 3. So, the ratio of 24 notebooks to 18 books is 4 is to 3. Children, see question number 4 is also a word problem. What all things are given in the question number 4? 30 cricket players and 20 kho-kho players are training on a field. What is the ratio of cricket players to the total number of players? So children, here let us write the given things. What is given? Cricket players. How many cricket players are there? Is equals to 30 and kho-kho players is equals to 20. Alright. So first, let us find out the total number of players. So, write here total number of players. It means we have to add the players which are playing cricket and the players which are playing kho-kho. That is 30 plus 20 will give total number of players 50. Okay. Now we have to find out the ratio of cricket players to the total number of players. So write here the ratio of cricket players to the total number of players, which is equals to cricket players are 30 is to 50. That is equals to 30 upon 50. Here 0 gets cancelled with 0. So what remains? 3 upon 5. So what is the ratio? 3 is to 5. Okay. So at last we can write the ratio of cricket players to the total number of players is 3 is to 5. See here student, question number 5, which is again a word problem. What is given in the question? Let's have a look. Snehal has a red ribbon that is 80 cm long and a blue ribbon 2.20 meter long. What is the ratio of the length of red ribbon to that of blue ribbon? Alright, here 80 centimeter and here it is in meter. Children, both are in the different units. First, we have to convert that into same units. So, red ribbon is equals to 80 centimeter and blue ribbon is equals to 2.20 meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Right? Therefore, 2.20 meter multiplied by 100, what will get? 220 centimeter. Right? What is to find out the ratio of red ribbon to that of blue ribbon? It will come, that is 80 is to 220. It means 80 divided by 220. So in the numerator as well as in the denominator digits are 0. So this 0 gets cancelled with this 0. So what remains? 8 upon 22. On unit place digits are 2 and 8. It means both the numbers are divisible by 2. So divide in the numerator by 2 as well as in the denominator also by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So our answer will be 4 is to 11. Okay. So at the end we can write therefore ratio of length of red ribbon to blue ribbon is equals to 4 is to 11. Okay, you can write this final answer in the square box. Alright, this is very simple to solve. Only you have to do the conversion very properly. Students, let us have a look at the example number 6. Let us see the question. Shubham's age today is 12 years and his father's today's age is 42 years. Shubham's mother is younger than his father by 6 years. So, we have to find out the following ratios which are given in the next question. So, let us see the answer. Let us first find Shubham's mother's today's age. Shubham's mother's today's age. Okay. Shubham's mother is younger than father. Shubham's mother is younger than father by 6 years. Therefore, mother's today's age is equals to 42 minus 6. See here, 2 minus 6 not possible. Carry from here becomes 12, 12 minus 6, 6 here remains 3. So, mother's today's age is 36 years. Alright, now let us find out one by one the next ratios. Student, let us see in this first example, we have to find out in this the ratio of Shubham's age today to his mother's age today. So, see how to find here. Shubham's today's age is given 12 years. To what is mother's today's age? 36 years. Alright. Therefore, what it will be? 12 is to 36. It means 12 upon 36. 12 3s are 36. So let us divide both the numbers in the numerator. Divide by 12 as well as in the denominator also divide by 12. 12 1s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 3. So at the end, let us write therefore the ratio of Shubham's age today to mother's age today is equals to 1 is to 3. Children, in this example, let us see the second part. What we have to find? The ratio of Shubham's mother's age today to his father's age today. It means we have to find out ratio of Shubham's mother's age today is 36 years. Here you can write ratio 36 years is to father's today's age is 42 years. Alright. So how we'll write 36 is to 42 means 36 upon 42. Now here on the unit place digits are 2 and 6. So both the numbers are divisible by 2. So divide in the numerator by 2 as well as also in the denominator divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 1 remains. Number becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now 8 plus 1 9. 2 plus 1 3. So both the numbers are divisible by 3. So divide in the numerator by 3 as well as in the denominator by 3. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. So answer will be 6 is to 7. So at the end we write therefore the ratio of Shubham's age, Shubham's mother's age today to his father's age today is equals to 6 is to 7. Is that clear? See here student, in this third part they have asked us when Shubham was 10 years old, the ratio of his age to his mother's age today. Alright. Now Shubham's today's age is Shubham's today's age is equals to 12 years. Now when Shubham was 10 years old, that is 2 years back, mother's age is equals to 36 minus 2, that is 34 years. Alright. Therefore, Shubham age to his mother's age today is equals to, what will be the ratio? Is equals to 10 is to 34. So, which is equals to 10 upon 34. Children, on unit place digits are 0 and 4. It means both the numbers are divisible by 2. So let us divide in the numerator by 2 as well as divide in the denominator also by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 1 remains, number become 14. 2 7s are 14. So what is the ratio? 5 is to 17. So when Shubham was 10 years old, the ratio of his age to his mother's age today is 5 is to 17. Here children, we have completed this practice set 28. Hope so you all must have understood this properly.